Welcome to your 7-minute Miracle Morning Meditation to help you shift into positive thinking, confidence, motivation, and gratitude. I'm sure you are comfortable by now, and if not, take a few moments to settle in. Bring your awareness to these next 7 minutes. They are for you and only you. They are your gift for the rest of your day to come. Breathe in deeply and let all the tension go. This time, breathe in deeply and exhale with a sigh. Take a few moments to really settle in, connect your mind, body, and your spirit. You'll notice at the top of each breath, there's a slight pause. A brief moment of stillness. Pay attention to that. Likewise on your exhale. Wonderful. This time, as you breathe in, count to 4. Hold your breath for a brief moment. And exhale to a count of 6. You may notice your mind start to wander during this brief meditation. But as they do, recognize the thoughts and bring your awareness to the here and now. Become an observer. Don't attach yourself to them. Think of them like balloons that you bring back to the palm of your hand. Set your intention for the day. But more specifically, how would you like to feel all throughout the day? Very well. Now think in your day, what are some possible times that seem to be a bit of a struggle or you don't look forward to as much? Identify those times of your day right now. And what is it about those times of day or those experiences that cause you discomfort, dis-ease, or unhappiness, frustration? Think of how you will respond differently now to those moments in your day. What's a different way of perceiving those challenges or frustrations? Where's the gift inside those experiences? Take a brief moment to really settle in and identify how you might change your perspective. Because how you think about things determines how you feel about them. Amazing. Now that you have set your intention and you thought about how you're going to handle things differently today, now it's time to experiment and put your intention into reality. You've done the hard part. You've done the conscious part. Today you will no longer respond automatically, and if you do, you will kindly and full of gratitude bring yourself back to your intention. When you reflect upon your day this evening through journaling, taking a quiet moment, or coming back to meditation here, you will feel proud, you will feel confident, you will feel motivated that you are making more and more progress each day to living your best life, to feeling your best self. Now go out and enjoy this positive day that you have already laid before you. And I'll meet you back here tomorrow for our next meditation.